Hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I have brought you some of the companies which are off-campus hirings. And let's get into the first one, which is Hcltech. As you all know about it, first, I'll be giving the links of these in the Telegram group as I was giving as I have given yesterday also. So you can go there and check it out. And when you just click on the link, you will be getting this page. Right? As you can see here, this page will be visible for you. Uh, yes. No. Okay. This page will be visible for you. And here you have to enter your name and you have to enter the email address. You have to click on register first because without registering you can't log in here. So this is a hiring from Hcltech. As you can, oh, I'll show you. Yes, as you can see here, I think you, yes, yes, as you can see here, it is a hiring which is done by Hcltech, which is a major company and which is an MNC too. Yes, and when you click on register, then you can just enter the name and your email address and your mobile number, and just here you will be getting a option called send OTP. Then you have to click that. Then uh, you will be for your mobile number you will be getting an OTP. So you have to enter it there here, and you have to select the state and city, and you have to enter this captcha here. Okay, this captcha should be entered here, and have to click this checkbox and click on register. After you are registering, then you will be getting a mail uh, to mail, and in that mail you will be having the link to login. And after you click, you will be getting this page where uh, yes, where you are having where you are having this page, and you have to fill the application form which will be asking you the uh, only all the basic details, which is the uploading of your resume, and it will be asking you a college name, it will be asking you a what your branch and the course you are taking, and all those your mobile number and your mail to be what to be in contact. So all those you have to enter all those and just submit the application. This is all about the Hcltech, and you can directly go and apply it because it is a technical role and it is a very good company, and don't miss this chance to just get into this company. So uh, without any further delay, go to the description below in description which is given in the below description box, and go to the Telegram group link I have given in the description, and just click on it. You will be redirected to our Telegram page where I have given the links for these companies, and just go and uh, fill out this application form as soon as possible. And next we are having a superset hiring which is Wipro, right? So um, Wipro, you have already known about this company also. Wipro is an MNC too, and it is a good company. So then, as you can see here, we are having pan India, means we cannot know the location of this, right? So you have to see, if you see here, August 15th, 11:59 p.m. is the last date for this application form, right? So you have to apply it before that deadline. And job functions is engineering, as it is a technical role, and the CTC would be around 3.5 LPA, right? 3.5, it is not a bad package, okay? So, and it is a good company. You can get promotions, you can get salary hikes, all. And in the job description, if you want to read it, you can read, but there is nothing more important to read. And next, we are having eligibility criteria. See, these should be mandatory, right? In 10th standard, 12th, and in graduation, you need to maintain 60%, right? The result should be minimum of 60% or above that. You can have 60% or above that. So these are only the eligibility criteria, and distance education is not allowed. Means open degree, some will be doing like that, right? Open degree, like that. So those were not allowed, but those are allowed only for 10th and 12th only. Okay, yes, 10th and 12th you can do the distance education, but uh, that is not uh, that is not allowed for graduation. Okay, yes, and other criteria should be candidates are expected to clear backlogs along with 8th semester. Means all the students should not have backlogs up to 8th semester. Okay, you'll be having 8 semesters, right, in BTech. So uh, those 8 semesters, in those 8 semesters you should not have any backlogs, and maximum 3 years of gap in education is allowed. This company is a very good company which is allowing education gap, because many of the companies, almost every company, do not accept the education gap, right? So it is accepting a maximum of 3 years of education gap, and no gaps are allowed in graduation period, but in the graduation we should conformly complete it in 4 years, right? And next should be from a full time degree course recognized by government of India. Means you should you should not, just now I have said that you should not take open degree, like and you should be studied your degree course in a recognized organization like JNTUH or Kakatiya University, Usmania University. We are having many more like that. So you can, you should study in those companies only. Okay. Next, we are having candidates will be invited for the test process who have completed 6 months school off period from the previous assessment. Yes, this is nothing but, see, if you have already uh okay, yes, if you already just applied for Wipro and just attended its test, then you will be having a cooling period of 3 months, right? Then if you have attended a test of Wipro before 3 months, then you are allowed to just take this test, right? If not, no, you are not allowed. Okay, yes. And next we are having should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card. Should be an Indian citizen. That means you should have an Aadhaar card, like, or you should have a PAN card or something like that to uh, just it is a proof for you as an Indian. And next we are having Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. That means um, all the students from Bhutan or Nepal, they need to just submit the citizenship certificate. That means uh, that is a proof for their nationalism. Okay, and candidates should be 18 plus while registration. Most probably you will be 18 plus, because after completion of the BTech you will become 18 plus, right? So uh, that is not at all mandatory. And next, the year of passing would be 2025, right? Means You will be confirmed, you will be compulsorily 18 plus, your age will be 18 plus. And next we are having the qualification as BE or BTech, which is a compulsory degree, and ME or MTech, which would be perceived after the BTech, right? So that would be the qualification. And next, the branch of study will be the CS, means computer science related branches only. And next, the designation would be the project engineer. This is a role which you are applying for. And next, the compensation was, it is elite, means there are some phases, like um, there are some like phases you are having some elite, and which is having 3.5 lakhs as the compensation or salary, what you think that. And next, the service agreement would be 12 months, right? So next, the selection process would be, every candidate must go through online assessment. The assessment would be online, which is virtual. Um you can just uh, what attend it in your home itself. And these are the what these are the rounds we are having. Online assessment, which is comprising of three sessions. The first round would be the online assessment, which is having the aptitude test, where you are having these topics. And next we are having written communication test, where you are having essay writing, you have to type the essay. And next we are having online programming test, where they will be giving the two programs which you should be coded. And candidates can choose the programming language for this online programming test. They can choose in between Java, C, C++, or Python. Here four programming languages were given. You can choose any of that. If you have listened C programming tutorial in our, which is uploaded in our channel, then it would be easy for you to just know that. Okay, just know and attempt it. And as well as Python is going on now. And next we are having the second round. If you qualify this first round, you will be just upgraded to the second round. In the second round, you are having the voice assessment, where it is nothing but something like a communication round, where you will be given some sentences, you need to pronounce them correctly, or uh, something will be spoken, and you have to hear that and you have to say that clearly. Like that, you will be having some rounds like that. And next, if you just clear the second round also, then you will be upgraded to the third round, which is business discussion, where you'll be given a topic. It will be like a group discussion, where many people will be there, and you will be having a topic, and you have to discuss everything about that topic which is related to business, as you have given here. And next we are having the terms and conditions. That is no problem. And here, when you click on apply now, you will be getting this page. And here you have to enter your email address, which is which is just having the superset account. If you are having superset account only, you can just apply this job. And next, login and just apply it. If you just logged in, then it will be automatically applied. That's it about this hiring. And next we are having, this is HCL and this is Wipro. We have completed both of them. And the third hiring was this, which is an internship. The company name is Jupiter, as you can see here easily. And it is a ML intern. The role is ML intern, machine learning intern. And next we are having the location is Bangalore, right? And it is for freshers, that means 2025 graduates. And next we are having about that company. It is a good company actually. You can just apply to it also, as we have seen about HCL and Wipro, but those are somewhat known to us, but this is not known. But it is a good company. I have just searched about it and known about it a bit. And next we are having mm, all about this one. And next we are going to just apply. Click on apply here. And next, see, here it is asking for a resume for you. Then you have to choose file and get your resume. You have to apply your you have to submit your resume here. And next, your first name and last name, email. You have to enter all this, your name, your first name and last name. You have to be careful while entering these, because these should be in the order in which uh, you are having your other. In your other, you will be having your name, right? In that order only you have to apply, because at the time of the background verification you will be having some issues with that. So you have to give the correct name, and next you have to give the email ID and phone number as they are asking here. And next we are having, yes, you have to enter the address, but it is not so mandatory, so you can just skip the zip and address. And yes, you have to give the date of birth here. All these were not at all okay, means this is not at all important. So if you just submit your resume and just enter the first name, last name, and email, phone number, and it is just enter, and it is just enough for them to verify whether you are okay with this and or not. And just click on this checkbox which is I agree, and just submit it. You will be uh, just applied to this job. Okay, this is about the Jupiter job we are having. Till now we have completed the three hirings, we have discussed about them. And next we are having a software engineer hiring from Emerson. This is a company, right? This is also a good company, and the locations we have here are Pune, Maharashtra. We are having, the location is Pune, right? And in the job description, if you want you can read it. And for this role you will need be action oriented and full of energy for the things they see as challenging. Means you need to be just work hard. You need to be like a problem solver, like that, and have the functional technical knowledge and skills to do the job at a high level of accomplishment. That means, yes, you are having a technical knowledge. Your knowledge should be good enough to do the job. Means you should have some practical work experience, real world program or real world projects. You need to do them, right? So then you will get this one. And next we're having this. Yes, these are the mandatory skills. If you have C hash, if you have means if you are good at C hash, then you can apply. And next we are having SQL and web API and WPF. These are some of the most experienced one. So if you have